RVing is all about having the right gear, the latest, greatest cutting-edge innovations that make life on the road effortless. Today we're showcasing the most advanced RV gadgets that will absolutely change the way you RV forever. Hey there and welcome to RV Gear and Far. I'm Joshua, and this first piece of gear is an absolute game changer in terms of cargo weight and especially helpful for boondocking. These cans of dehydrated water are the ultimate weight saver. This innovative product is infinitely shelf stable, and when you're ready, just add water and you're good to go. No more messing around with fresh tanks or portable water bladders. Just stack a few cases of these and the weight savings alone will pay for themselves in fuel costs on day one. Next up, we have this solar powered lantern. These are pretty cool because they convert solar energy from the sun directly into light. And unlike disposable or rechargeable battery lanterns, these require no batteries, which means they're super lightweight and maintenance free. So if you need light while the sun is out, these decorative solar powered lanterns are perfect for you. One of the many benefits of having your home on wheels is that you get to travel to different locations. In some parts of the country, burn bans are in effect most of the camping season. That's why this portable fire pit is the best solution to your campfire worries. At a fraction of the size of a smokeless wood pit or even a propane fire pit, this is super compact. Has zero chance of starting a forest fire, zero issues with smoke, and will never run out of fuel. Simply inflate it and enjoy the illusion of ambiance and warmth. Leveling your RV can be a hassle. Stacking blocks, rolling up on ramps, or fussing around with finicky auto leveling systems gets old. But thankfully, there's an easier way. This is the Camper Leveling Spray. It's a proprietary formula that automatically levels your rig. Simply spritz it onto each tire and let it do its magic. It's as simple as that. Seriously, why did it take so long for us to come up with this thing? The sun's UV rays can wreak havoc on RV gear. Great for solar-powered flashlights, not so great for satellite dishes. So if you're worried about the UV rays damaging your Starlink dish, you'll love this super cheap hack to protect your investment. Simply grab some aluminum foil and wrap it around the dish. This scientifically questionable method ensures maximum sun protection and will keep your investment protected from the harsh UV rays of the sun. Now this next one is absolutely essential for trailer owners, and that is to add blinker fluid to your turn signals once a year. Most folks don't know about this recommended maintenance item. It doesn't take much. This small bottle will suffice for both RV taillights, but it really helps in making sure your intentions are clear when using turn signals while towing down the road. And running out of your blinker fluid would be a really bad day. So let me ask you this, when's the last time you changed your blinker fluid? Under or over? This age-old debate is over. With reversible toilet paper, it doesn't matter. Just flip it over and install it as you like. It automatically adjusts to which way you put it in. This revolutionary design will never be patented because it's so absolutely universal and will forever be available to everyone. Now, there are several types of reversible toilet paper out on the market. For RVs, you're going to want to use a very specific kind. I'll make sure to put links to all the stuff we're talking about today in the description of this video. This video is not sponsored, but if you're finding any value or entertainment from it, please start your shopping there. It's a great way to support the channel at no additional cost to you. Backup cameras are becoming increasingly standard in almost every new vehicle, and most RVs either have them or are prepped with easy access to power wires so we, as end users, can quickly install them. They provide valuable information while towing down the road, and especially when backing into a campsite. But what about a backup camera for when we're in reverse? If seeing behind us while moving forward is helpful, wouldn't it also be helpful to see in front of us as we're moving backwards? Introducing the reverse backup camera. This brand new product allows you to see in front of you while backing up. Simply place the screen in a visible location near the driver's seat and add a level of safety to your RVing experience. Backing up these big rigs can be difficult, but with the reverse backup camera, you'll see exactly where you've been, taking the guessing game out of the whole process. Most RVers try to stick to towing and arriving at a campsite before dark. It makes everything significantly easier, but sometimes you just have to travel in the dark. And that's why I like headlight fluid. Just like our trailer turn signals, our tow vehicles have fluids that need to be topped off as well. It's not the easiest fluid to add to your headlights, but really does help clarify night driving. A little bit goes a long way. The bottle this size should last about 3 or 4 applications. This next piece of gear is really going to get the boondocking crowd excited. It's a USB powered air conditioner. If you're tired of being hot during the summer, there is no need to seal up all the drafts in your rig or fix the ducting holes missed during manufacturing. Simply install this USB powered air conditioner. Plug it in and instantly cool your entire 40-foot fifth wheel using the raw power of one USB port. Bonus is that you can power that one USB port via 120 shore power or even 12-volt power from your single flooded lead acid deep cycle battery. Serious game changer right here. Now you may have seen something similar to this next product, but never thought that it could be used for this intended purpose. These are the RV Fridge Booster Pills and Booster Pill Minis. You can pick them up at your local grocery store in the freezer section. Simply place 1 or 2 booster pills into a standard RV fridge, and instantly the entire fridge and its contents chill to the perfect temperature. Now, depending on the outside temperatures, your chill times may vary, and some folks with smaller rigs might even be able to save a little bit of money and purchase the mini booster pills. These seem promising, and I'm really excited to put them more to the test this summer. Who likes dumping tanks? Nobody. That's why we're testing out these disposable holding tank liners. Simply turn off the water to your toilet, drop in the liner, spread the edges out underneath the toilet seat, and voila, no more black tank waste to dump. Simply tie the liner shut when it's 75% full and dispose of it according to local campground laws. Easy peasy, no more dumping, flushing, or treating your RV black tanks. There you have it, folks, the most innovative and cutting-edge RV gadgets of the year. If you want to revolutionize your RVing experience, just don't buy the gadgets or utilize any of the advice in this video. April Fools. Happy camping. Warning, the following products are entirely fictional and should not be used as real RV gear. Dehydrated water is just an empty can. Solar power lanterns require sunlight and a battery to function. And inflatable fire pits will not keep you warm. Camper leveling spray has no effect on gravity. Aluminum foil will disrupt satellite signals, and reversible toilet paper is just regular toilet paper. The reverse backup camera may result in confusion. USB powered air conditioners will not cool your RV, and RV fridge booster pills are just ice cubes. Disposable holding tank liners are not legally or hygienically advisable. For real RV gear, consult the rest of the videos on our channel. No RVs were harmed in the making of this video. Viewer discretion is advised. Here, get that.